everybody, June Tasillo here at Remax Elite in Franklin, North Carolina, and I have a fabulous property to show you today. And as you can see, it comes with a waterfall. I am standing on the gazebo, and you can really hear it from the house as well. We'll go in the house and take a look in just a few minutes. There is a mountain view at the gazebo. There's a swing out here, and it's just steps away from the house. We have a small pond in the backyard. Beautifully landscaped. It's got 2 levels of decking, great for outdoor sitting, grilling, hanging out with your family. We are at 450 Keener Mountain Road. This is in Town. And this is the entry to the house. Plenty of parking. This is a welcoming front porch. Big enough for rocking chairs. This is a 2-bedroom, 3 full baths, and a loft that they use for sleeping as well. Let's go inside and take a look around. Beautiful oak front door. Here's the foyer. It's got tile at the entryway. Cathedral ceiling. Right on into the living room, we have beautiful oak hardwood flooring. Sliding glass doors. Open concept. High ceilings, tongue and groove. Beautiful living room. Rock fireplace. It is wood burning. And straight ahead is a kitchen. Does have granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances. And over to the right is the dining room. It has 2 bay windows. There's a pantry door there to the left. Straight ahead is the full bathroom. It's a tiled shower, pedestal sink, and tile floor. It does have a linen closet in there as well. To the left is the guest bedroom. 2 windows here and 2 side windows by the side of the bed. And a full closet. And just down the hall is another entryway. It's a mud room, washer and dryer in here, little small sink there, and it has its own porch as well. Let's swing on over to the master bedroom. Coat closet there at the foyer. Here's the master. Look at those cathedral ceilings there. It's all tongue and groove. Very spacious. Sliding glass doors lead out to the deck. Another bay window, and an office area. There's a gas wall heater for backup. Into the master bath is a huge soaking tub. Those windows right there, if you open those up, you can hear that waterfall. Walk-in shower. Double bowl sinks. Also has granite. And then the master walk-in closet, which is pretty large. Let's go upstairs to the loft. We're up in the loft, and here's some more sleeping quarters, closets on either side. Little sitting area. You can see the mountain views out those 2 windows. Year-round. Looking down on the living room. It's great for guests. Full bath up here as well. We have a whole house fan. Here's the upper level. Full bath. Tub shower unit. pedal steel sink, very spacious. Let's go outside on the decks. Here we are out on the deck. There's the pond below. You can hear the waterfall from here. Full-length deck. It's got 3 ceiling fans with lights out here. And there's a hammock. You could just fall asleep to that waterfall in. This is right outside the master bedroom and bath. There's the backyard. Mountain views. I just love this cozy little dining room. Lots of light, natural light. Those 2 bay windows. Convenient to the kitchen. Let's go downstairs on the lower deck. And here we are on the lower deck. It's all rock faced on the house. There's the stairs leading to the backyard. And that waterfall. There is a little workshop in here. One thing the owner wanted me to tell you is we have an encapsulated crawl space. We have central heat and air. There's where he stores his wood for the wood-burning fireplace. Here's the side of the house. That's the dining room kitchen window. Stairs leading up to the mudroom. That's the laundry mudroom there. Little pathway in front of the house. That's all garden area. And stairs leading up to the upper drive where your guests would park. It's got a metal roof, newly stained. This is a great property being offered at $269,900. Call June Tasillo at RE/MAX Elite, area code 828-371-2339.